Hey everyone, welcome back to the AI Tech channel. Today, we're diving into a burning question. Can Apple's AI save the Vision Pro? Last year, Apple wowed us with the Vision Pro, but let's be honest, the price tag alone scared most people away. Vision OS 2 arrived, but no Apple Intelligence upgrade. Why? 6 months later, whispers are turning into shouts. AI is coming to Vision Pro via software. But is it too little, too late? I mean, really, who's going to drop another $3,500 plus on this thing, just for some AI bells and whistles? Bloomberg is reporting that Apple is finally unleashing Apple Intelligence on the Vision Pro. We're talking writing tools, Genmoji, image playground, the whole shebang. This means AI is escaping the confines of iPhones, iPads, and Macs and heading straight for your face, literally. The promise is a refreshed experience, new functionality, and hopefully, more customers. Think about it, Genmoji and spatial reality. Writing emails with your eyes. Is this the killer app the Vision Pro desperately needs? Or just another gimmick? But wait, there's more. Apple's also rumored to be launching a new app specifically for the Vision Pro, a hub for all things spatial content. Think of it as the official, Apple-approved source for immersive experiences. While the Vision Pro already has ways to access this kind of content, this new app could offer curated, high-quality experiences directly from Apple and its partners. Will this centralize the spatial content ecosystem and make it easier for users to discover new experiences? Or will it just be another app gathering dust on the virtual shelf? Now, here's the kicker. Apple never actually promised AI for the Vision Pro. And when will this update actually arrive? The rumor mill suggests April, possibly with iOS 18.4. But hold your horses. Gurman is saying that the new Siri features might be delayed by a month. This suggests Apple is facing some serious development challenges. Could this mean the Apple Intelligence upgrade for the Vision Pro is also further out than we think? Don't get your hopes up too high just yet. Switching gears, let's talk about something completely different. The foldable iPhone. Apple's reportedly testing multiple prototypes behind closed doors. One of them, a book-style design similar to Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold, is generating a lot of buzz. A tipster claims the inner display measures a whopping 7.74 inches. Imagine an iPhone that transforms into a mini tablet. Are we finally seeing the future of mobile computing? Or is Apple just playing catch-up to Samsung? Sources say Apple is aiming to launch a foldable device sometime in 2026. But here's the problem. All of Apple's prototypes have visible creases. And you know how Apple is about design perfection. The presence of a crease goes against everything they stand for. So, unless they can eliminate that crease, we might not see a foldable iPhone anytime soon. Is Apple's obsession with perfection holding them back from innovating in the foldable market? Or is it a sign of their commitment to quality and user experience? Another foldable iPhone variant is rumored to feature a massive 12-inch screen with a dual-lens camera. But that's more of a tablet than a phone. The book-style design seems like the more practical approach. Plus, Apple's software is known for its seamless adaptation across different screen sizes. This gives them a major advantage over companies like Samsung, which rely on Android. Can Apple leverage its software expertise to create a truly compelling foldable experience? Or will they struggle to compete in a market dominated by Android devices? Okay, let's shift our focus back to health. Apple is introducing some groundbreaking health features to support conditions impacting billions of people. We're talking about sleep apnea notifications on Apple Watch and a complete hearing health experience with AirPods Pro 2. Apple is clearly doubling down on its commitment to health and wellness. But are these features truly revolutionary or just incremental improvements to existing technology? Apple Watch is getting new sleep apnea notifications using an innovative breathing disturbances metric. This could be a game-changer for the 1 billion people worldwide who are estimated to have sleep apnea, most of whom are undiagnosed. If left untreated, sleep apnea can lead to serious health problems like hypertension and diabetes. By detecting signs of sleep apnea, Apple Watch can help users get the diagnosis and treatment they need. Is this the future of preventative healthcare? Will Apple Watch become a must-have for anyone concerned about their health? The breathing disturbances metric uses the accelerometer to detect subtle movements at the wrist associated with interruptions to normal breathing patterns during sleep. Every 30 days, Apple Watch analyzes this data and alerts users if it detects consistent signs of moderate to severe sleep apnea. Users can also view their nightly breathing disturbances in the Health app and export a PDF to share with their doctor. This is more than just a fitness tracker, it's a potential lifesaver. But how accurate is this technology? Can it truly replace traditional sleep studies? Apple developed the sleep apnea notification algorithm using advanced machine learning and a massive dataset of clinical-grade sleep apnea tests. The feature was then validated in a clinical study. According to Dr. Sairam Parthasarathi, this is a major step forward in improving public health. This level of clinical validation is crucial for building trust in health technology. But will it be enough to convince doctors and patients to embrace Apple Watch as a legitimate medical device? Now, let's talk about hearing health. Apple is creating the world's first all-in-one hearing health experience with AirPods Pro, including active hearing protection, a clinically validated hearing test feature, and an over-the-counter hearing aid feature. This is a comprehensive approach to addressing hearing loss, from prevention to awareness to assistance. But can Apple truly revolutionize the hearing aid industry? Or will these features be limited by the capabilities of AirPods Pro? 1 in 3 people are regularly exposed to loud environmental noise that can damage their hearing, according to the Apple Hearing Study. To combat this, AirPods Pro are getting hearing protection, which actively reduces louder, more intermittent noise while preserving the sound signature of what you're listening to. This feature is on by default and works across all listening modes. It's like having built-in earplugs that automatically adjust to your environment. But will this feature be effective enough to prevent hearing loss in the long run? Apple is also introducing a clinical-grade hearing test that you can take yourself with your AirPods Pro and iPhone or iPad. The hearing test feature leverages advanced acoustic science and provides an interactive experience. When you complete the test, you'll see a summary of your results, including a number representing hearing loss in each ear, a classification, and recommendations. This makes it easier than ever to monitor your hearing health from the comfort of your own home. But how accurate is this test compared to a professional hearing exam? Perhaps the most groundbreaking feature is the over-the-counter hearing aid capability for users with mild to moderate hearing loss. This feature transforms AirPods Pro into a clinical-grade hearing aid, using your personalized hearing profile from the hearing test to dynamically adjust the sounds around you in real time. This could make hearing assistance more accessible and affordable for millions of people. But will it face resistance from traditional hearing aid manufacturers? Of course, privacy is a major concern when it comes to health data. Apple emphasizes that privacy is fundamental in the design and development of all its health features. When your device is locked with a passcode, Touch ID, or Face ID, all of your health and fitness data in the Health app is encrypted. And any health data backed up to iCloud is encrypted both in transit and on Apple servers. Can we truly trust Apple to protect our sensitive health information? Or are we sacrificing privacy for convenience? So, let's bring it back to the Vision Pro. Will Apple Intelligence and a dedicated spatial content app be enough to save this device from becoming a niche product? The answer is complicated. The AI upgrade has the potential to unlock new use cases and attract a wider audience. But ultimately, the Vision Pro's success will depend on Apple's ability to deliver compelling and immersive experiences that justify its high price tag. Is it a game changer or a costly experiment that's destined to fail? Let me know what you think in the comments below. And what about the foldable iPhone? Will Apple ever release a foldable device that meets its stringent design standards? Only time will tell. But one thing is clear. Apple is not afraid to experiment with new technologies and push the boundaries of innovation. Whether it's AI, spatial computing, or foldable displays, Apple is always looking for ways to improve our lives through technology. But are they moving fast enough? Are they taking the right risks? The future of Apple depends on it. That's all for today's episode. Don't forget to subscribe to the AI Tech channel for more in-depth analysis of the latest tech news. And be sure to leave a comment below with your thoughts on Apple's latest innovations. Do you think Apple Intelligence can save the Vision Pro? Are you excited about the prospect of a foldable iPhone? Let's discuss. Thanks for watching.